Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Indian Scout 60. In the realm of cruiser motorcycles, the Indian Scout 60 emerges as a beacon of elegance and performance, offering novice riders an entry point into the enchanting world of cruising. With its striking design, manageable power, and a heritage that spans over a century, the Indian Scout 60 stands as the epitome of a beginner cruiser motorcycle. In this exploration, we delve into the characteristics that make the Indian Scout 60 the best choice for beginners, providing a harmonious blend of style, power, and a captivating riding experience. Iconic design rooted in heritage. At first glance, the Indian Scout 60 captivates with its iconic design that pays homage to Indian motorcycles' rich heritage. The bike's classic cruiser silhouette, teardrop fuel tank, and exposed V-twin engine showcase a timeless aesthetic that seamlessly combines the essence of yesteryear with modern craftsmanship. The attention to detail in every curve and chrome accent reinforces the Indian Scout 60's status as a cruiser that not only transports riders but also immerses them in the legacy of Indian motorcycle. Indian Motorcycle's commitment to preserving its heritage in the Scout 60 reflects a brand that understands the timeless allure of classic cruiser design and its significance for riders entering the world of cruising. Manageable power with a V-twin heart. Powering the Indian Scout 60 is a 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that strikes the perfect balance between performance and approachability. With a manageable power output, the Scout 60 ensures that novice riders can experience the thrill of cruising without being overwhelmed. The V-twin configuration not only provides a distinctive exhaust note but also delivers a smooth and controllable power delivery, making it an ideal companion for riders in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. Indian Motorcycle's focus on providing manageable power in the Scout 60 aligns with the brand's commitment to creating motorcycles that cater to the needs of novice riders, ensuring a positive and confidence-building entry into the cruiser lifestyle. Compact and nimble chassis for maneuverability. The Indian Scout 60 boasts a compact and nimble chassis, contributing to its excellent handling characteristics. Weighing in at a manageable level, the bike is designed to be easily maneuverable, allowing riders to confidently navigate through urban landscapes, negotiate tight turns, and develop their riding skills with ease. The nimble chassis enhances the overall riding experience, making the Scout 60 an accessible and friendly choice for beginners. Indian Motorcycle's emphasis on a compact and nimble chassis in the Scout 60 showcases the brand's commitment to creating cruisers that are approachable and user-friendly, particularly for those embarking on their motorcycling journey. Comfortable ergonomics for long cruises. True to the cruiser ethos, the Indian Scout 60 offers comfortable ergonomics that cater to long rides and leisurely cruising. The bike features a low-slung saddle, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, allowing riders to adopt a relaxed and laid-back riding posture. The comfortable ergonomics ensure that beginners can enjoy extended journeys without sacrificing comfort, making the Scout 60 an ideal choice for riders who appreciate the joy of exploring the open road. Indian Motorcycle's attention to comfortable ergonomics in the Scout 60 reflects the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that prioritizes both style and rider well-being during extended cruising sessions. User-friendly features for seamless riding. The Indian Scout 60 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features that enhance the overall riding experience for beginners. From the responsive throttle to the smooth clutch engagement, every aspect of the bike is designed to make the learning curve more gradual and enjoyable. Additionally, the Scout 60 may come with modern conveniences such as a comprehensive instrument panel, providing riders with essential information in a clear and easily readable format. These user-friendly features contribute to a seamless and enjoyable introduction to cruiser riding for beginners.